ASELSAN, a prominent player in Turkey's defense industry, has successfully demonstrated the capabilities of its GZD guidance kit, highlighting a significant leap forward in precision strike technology. During a live test, the system was integrated into a 500-pound -82 Malawian Quachas bomb, launched from an F-16 fighter jet, and precisely hit a high-speed moving target. This successful demonstration underlined Turkey's growing prowess in aerial precision strikes and its role in reshaping modern warfare tactics. One of the standout features of GZD is its ability to transform traditional unguided bombs into sophisticated guided munitions, capable of engaging both stationary and moving targets with exceptional accuracy. This innovative kit does not rely on a propulsion system, keeping the operational cost low while maximizing the effectiveness of aerial platforms. It represents a vital enhancement for the Turkish military, providing strategic advantages without the need for complex and expensive missiles. Developed through a collaboration between ASELSAN and TBİTAK SAGE, Defense Industries Research and Development Institute, the GZD guidance system combines several cutting-edge technologies. These include the Inertial Navigation System (INS), Global Navigation Satellite System (GNSS), and a laser designator. The test demonstrated the kit's ability to adjust the bomb's trajectory in real time, ensuring that the moving target was neutralized with pinpoint accuracy. A key aspect of GZD is its versatility. It can be deployed on both manned and unmanned platforms, such as the F-16 and the Bayraktar AKINCI drone, significantly increasing operational flexibility. ASELSAN President and CEO, Ahmet Akyol, highlighted the importance of the test, pointing out that GZD's capability to engage high-speed targets sets Turkey apart from other nations, as only a few countries have mastered such precision. This strategic advantage positions ASELSAN as a highly competitive player on the global defense market, aligning with Turkey's vision to become one of the world's top 30 defense companies by 2030. The successful test of GZD not only confirmed the technological maturity of the system but also showcased its potential as a key asset in Turkey's defense arsenal. By enhancing the precision of aerial strikes, GZD offers a more effective and cost-efficient solution compared to traditional weapons, allowing for greater precision in modern military engagements. This development also reflects ASELSAN's ability to address the evolving demands of modern warfare, where precision and adaptability are paramount. With the Turkish F-16 fleet playing a central role in national defense, the integration of GZD into these aircraft strengthens Turkey's strike capabilities. The Turkish Air Force, with its fleet of approximately 245 F-16s, uses these versatile multi-role fighters for a wide range of operations, including air superiority, reconnaissance, and precision strikes. Modernization efforts led by ASELSAN and Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, aim to replace older electronics and mission systems, fortifying Turkey's strategic autonomy. Beyond its operational value for Turkey, GZD holds significant export potential. For countries looking to modernize their arsenals without breaking the bank on expensive guided missile systems, GZD offers a viable alternative. Its compatibility with widely used aerial platforms such as the F-16 allows for seamless integration into various air forces, making it an attractive option for nations seeking to upgrade their strike capabilities at a lower cost. Turkey's ability to offer a domestically developed solution further solidifies its position as a key supplier of smart munitions in the global defense market. This development not only enhances Turkey's military capabilities but also boosts ASELSAN's competitiveness on the international stage. The GZD guidance kit represents a key milestone in Turkey's defense technology journey, reinforcing its role as a leader in precision strike solutions. In conclusion, the successful test of the GZD guidance kit represents a major milestone for ASELSAN and Turkey's defense industry as a whole. The ability to convert conventional bombs into highly precise guided munitions opens up new avenues for more efficient, cost-effective military operations. By enhancing the Turkish Armed Forces' operational flexibility, GZD strengthens the nation's position in both regional and global defense dynamics, showcasing ASELSAN's expertise in precision strike technologies and reinforcing Turkey's growing influence in the defense sector.